Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up the answering machine on an AT&T cordless phone. First, turn on the answering machine. Locate the answer on or off button on the phone base and press it. Keep pressing until you hear the voice message. The machine is on. This confirms that the answering system has been activated. Now, we will record a personal greeting. On the handset, press the menu button. Use the navigation buttons to find Answering Sys, then select Announcement. Choose Record ANC to begin recording your message. After you hear the tone, speak clearly and record the greeting you want your callers to hear. When you finish, press 5 or press the stop button to end the recording. Your new greeting will be saved automatically. The next step is setting the number of rings. Press Menu and go to Answering Sys. Select ANSYS Setup. Then choose number of rings. You can select from 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 rings. You can also choose Toll Saver, which allows you to check messages remotely while saving time when there are no new messages. After completing these steps, your AT&T cordless phone answering machine is ready to receive calls and record messages. You can test the setup by calling your phone from another number and leaving a short message. Thanks for watching.